At the United States Air Force Academy, cyberspace is real, and it impacts every part of our lives. From communication to transportation, information to infrastructure, our cadets are as at home in the digital world as the real one. We're finding ways to improve and protect our systems and leverage our skills to gain advantages on the battlefield and beyond. Our world-class facilities allow us to see how small changes can have big impacts and test our skills in real time. Our battlefields are no longer confined to the ground or even the atmosphere. Conditions can change in the blink of an eye or the flip of a switch, and the airmen and guardians we train here will be ready for it.